Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top for new collection RC airplanes in review 2025.
Number 4.
Product function 1. U716A motor. 3-axis gyroscope system, aerodynamic layout, stable flight, even beginners can easily fly. 2. Mini appearance, DIY assembly structure. 3. UZPP material. The weight is only 50 grams, 4.3 axis gyroscope system, adding attitude stability.
Number 3.
Charge the battery fully before each flight. Calibrate controls before takeoff. Fly in open, calm areas. Use 1T aerobatics carefully at higher altitude. Avoid hard crash to protect EPP foam. Trim controls mid-flight if needed. Check motor mount and propeller regularly.
Number 2.
Description: for single remote control, it is the handle remote control. For dual remote control, it is the finger remote control plus handle remote control. The products are all single electric version. More detailed details can consult customer service.
Number 1.
Ensure proper CG balance before flight. Calibrate control surfaces. Use a 3S 2200 3000 mAh LiPo battery. Avoid full throttle continuously. Launch into the wind. Glide smoothly to conserve power. Always check flaps and servos. Store wings properly to prevent warping.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.